Alright, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be doing this golden halo smoky eye look. I did this one for New Year's Eve and I really enjoyed doing it. It's kind of out of my comfort zone, so I thought I'd bring a dramatic bold look to you today as part of my palette of the month. This month is Jaclyn Hill's palette, so we're going to be doing a kind of a neutral look and then a bolder look and then a neutral look and then a bolder look. So you have two neutrals and two bold looks to choose from for this month's palette. So without any more rambling, let's go ahead and jump into getting this look. So let's begin. We're going to use the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette again this time, and I've already primed my face and my eyes. I have no foundation on or concealer or anything, but I'm going to go ahead and set my eyes down with, where is it, Creme, nope, that one, Creme Silk. It's a really neutral eyeshadow shade for my eyes, and that's what I like to set down my eye primer with. Help my other eyeshadows glide over everything so nothing grabs or anything like that. So that's why I use that color. And then we're going to go in with this smoky look. I'm not going anywhere today, I hope, because I am totally momming it up and got my leggings on. I think my shirt says, yeah, my shirt says I'm all mommed out. It is the week after Christmas break, and my son has a 4-day weekend. Woohoo! So he's home. Alright, so we're first going to go in with this black, and I will list the names down below. I'm going to take my soft dome brush from Makeup Geek, and I'm going to go gently with this black. I'd rather start really soft and build up the color than pack on a bunch of color and have a mess on my hand. I'm going to start in this outer corner, and I'm just building the color up, and I'm keeping it really low on my eye. And this is also why I have no foundation on, so if anything like falls, then we're good. And then I'm going to take it again and bring it into the inner corner. We're going to do a halo smoky eye. I did this look for New Year's Eve, and I really liked it. I'm going to go in with a smaller brush too. I'm going to use the Defined Crease Brush from Makeup Geek, and I'm going to connect those two. And then I'm going to take a fluffy brush that I used to set my eye primer down, and this has got Silk Cream on it again, and I'm just going to blend this out on the top because I don't want any harsh lines. So if I see stuff kind of getting a little choppy or anything, I'm going to go back in with Silk Cream and blend it out. It is a little scary working with darker colors, but it is makeup and it will be fine. If you need to go in there and blend with your fingers, you can do that too, just to blend things out. Make it look a little bit more cohesive, and nope, I'm wrong. I almost just put it into this palette. Whoops, that would not have been good. So I'm just going to go and poke a little bit in the corners to darken them up. And I'm kind of leaving it pretty, it looks pretty gray. So it looks kind of like I've been hitting the eye. And then I'm going to grab a flat, it's a concealer brush. This is the concealer brush from Limelight by Alcone. I'm going to grab this one. I'm going to go into the gold color in the palette, which is this one right, yeah. That one right there. And I'm going to take that, pick it up, I'm going to wet it, and with some finishing spray, setting spray. On that bottle it says finish spray, so that's why I said finishing spray. I'm going to pop this into the middle right here and make a little like halo kind of effect. Here we go. And then I will go back in and clean up the edges. Now this isn't as like bright as I wanted it when I did it on New Year's Eve. So I took a Stila Magnificent Metals, and I popped it on top. I don't know if I'm going to do that yet. I don't know. I'm going to take my Define Crease brush and just soften up those edges, and it will blend it out so that some of the gold will come out, and it just blends it out so it's not so black. And there we go. And so you just kind of have the black eyeshadow peeking out. You can take a little bit more gold and pop it in the middle if you need to. I feel like it needs to be blended out a little bit more. So I'm going to look for brush. I'm going to take the Morphe R35, and I'm going to go back into Silk Cream and just blend this out just a little bit. I might go in for a darker brown. I'm going to see if this will blend. And it's not really like looking as polished as I want it to. I think that is what I will do. I think I'll go into a little bit of Mocha, which is a dark brown, and pop that right in the crease. And that helps kind of soften that black up, and then it doesn't look so choppy. And it looks more cohesive, and then I'm going to go back over with some Silk Cream on top above it, and then just blend that up towards my eyebrow. I don't know what that was, but alright, that looks better. So we're going to do the same on the other eye. I'm going to start with the black color, and on a big brush, because, you know, why not? Go big or go home sometimes. I'm going to go switch to the Define Crease brush. I would probably say use this one. You have a little bit more control over everything with a smaller brush. Now you could do a different color inside the halo. Inside the halo, you could do a pink, you could do a purple, you could do a red. I mean, any color that you want, you can do it in there. This one's just gold because it was for a look that I did for New Year's, so why not go with gold? And I would definitely say if you are working with dark shadows like a black, do your foundation afterwards. I don't really have much fallout. There's a little bit of fallout, but not a lot, which is pretty great. I mean, that's also going in with a little bit of product and not going in like tons of product. That also helps. So I'm just going to blend out the edges. Then I'm going to go over the crease with Mocha again to blend this black out. And you can kind of see there that it just helps blend and transition that black. And anything that I have like a mess on my face, I can go back in and clean it up with foundation. That is the great thing about doing it after foundation. So now I'm taking some Silk Cream and I'm going over that and blending it towards my eyebrow to make it transition. Let's pour a little bit more up here. And then that is basically it. I need to do a little bit more out here of blending because it's not really blended. I think I'm going to darken the outer corner right here up a little bit because it got a little muddy with the gold. Like the gold just kind of came in and was like, hey, I'm going to place a little bit more gold on just the inner part right there. Alright, so that is my eyeshadow look. pretty simple. It's got scary colors, but it's pretty simple. I'm going to go ahead and do liner, put some mascara on, and do the rest of my face, and then I'll be right back. Alright, now I am completely have my face on, my foundation, everything is on. I did go ahead and add some of the Stila Magnificent Metal to this part of my eye to kind of give it a little bit more of a sparkle and just some jazz. I love glitter, so these are perfect for me. They this one is in the color Smoky Storm, so it's a brown kind of, I don't know, it's not like super brown, but it's definitely like on the browner side. I don't know how to describe it. The words have escaped me, but there it is. It has very much a lot of sparkle and shimmer. It's very glittery. It's in a liquid, so you do have to let it dry before you kind of close your eyelids. So fan it with something that you have around on your desk and just get it to dry really quick. Otherwise it will crack and crease. Otherwise, if you let it dry, it does really well. I just kind of smeared it out. So because all I really wanted was the glitter. That's all I wanted for my eye look today. If you wanted to vamp this up a little bit more, I would put some amazing lashes on if you were going out for the night on town. For me, I'm just hanging around the house doing mom things, so I'm going to keep it here. There is black liner. If I was also going out, I'd wing it out a little bit more, so it's more winged here, and with the lashes, it would look amazing. And then you can do a nude lip if you like. Personally, on me, I don't really like that many nude lips. So I went with a cool tone color to kind of give me something different. So that is all that I have for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please make sure and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so that you can know when I upload videos. So I hope that you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you in my next video.